Don't piss me off. I'm just kidding, Alina. I love you, okay?
Silly y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to my. Were you gonna say hi too?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna be like,
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my sisters once again, and today, if you can see, if you have eyes, we're gonna be doing the deaf blind image challenge. We're gonna be making strawberry cake.
my favorite.
Alina doesn't like cake.
Yeah, so I'm just here.
She's just here for vibes, okay? Celi here is gonna be the blind one, naturally, you know? Alina's
Okay.
gonna have, she's gonna be deaf, so she can have the headphones on, and I'm gonna be, you know? So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, let us know and we'll do it again.
Yes.
Maybe. If it goes well. You got your headphones on.
We need to get the ingredients.
But we have to put everything else on and then get the ingredients.
No, we don't.
That's what makes it difficult.
No, we don't.
Right. Well,
How
you
the
put
hell are you
everything
gonna find
on.
the vegetable
You
oil
put
up there?
everything on, and then you get
Cool.
everything.
Yeah. I'll get the vegetable oil. I'm so glad you're blind.
I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna play.
Stop.
Okay.
Don't with the shades.
Okay, fix it for yourself. And then Alina, you have to put this on.
What?
Put the tape on my mouth. Okay. Careful with your lashes, girl. Can you see? I don't think she can see.
What?
Nothing beautiful, sister. Wait!
I'm
We haven't
looking at
started
my
yet!
face.
For what?
I'm putting it on the side.
That's okay.
I thought you were gonna put them on. Oh no, bro.
I can't see. What's this?
What if I cover your nose?
That's so trap. Okay, y'all need to go get the ingredients. It's 3 eggs and
3 eggs.
3
Oh, the
eggs.
directions.
Yeah.
We need 1 cup of water,
I know.
1/3 cup of vegetable oil,
I
and
know.
3 eggs.
I know.
Just say here.
Okay. She's a tear.
And then the pan.
Yeah, it says the size. Wait, I dropped something. Are my boots sticking out? No? This one? Huh? This one? Hey! Why are they sticking out? This one? Sarah, don't piss me off. No? Oh, okay.
Oh, I was gonna say this one.
Yeah, mix it.
Yes?
And then we need a spatula. Did y'all get it?
Okay. First things first. Heat oven to 350.
We're gonna burn down the house. You put it
Okay,
on?
so I'm gonna mix the cake, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with mixer. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna pour the cake mix in.
Okay.
And then Celi is gonna pour the water.
Okay. And then you do the eggs because I'm gonna accidentally put a shell on there. Are you done yet? Is she done yet? Oh, okay. Did you have to fill up the water? Okay.
Okay, now Celi,
Yes?
pour this cup of water. That's the water. The the bowl is right there. But wait, don't pour it yet.
Okay. Can I go?
Okay, there's a hole in the middle of the batter that you need to pour the water.
Did y'all wash your
inside
hands
of.
before this? I did, but did y'all?
Okay,
Y'all better wash your
the
hands.
hole, I'm not going to put your hand in there, but the hole is right there. Right there. Pour it. Get your nasty hand. Okay, now I'm going to give you oil. Okay? Eggs. Mix it.
Me?
This. Oh, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
I told you.
Shut up. I told you. Why are you touching me? That's gay.
Did you wash your hands before this?
No.
Go wash your hands.
Okay.
You too, Sarah.
Okay. No. There. Perfect.
Did I do good?
Yes, you did good. Now Sarah and I will crack the eggs.
Okay.
I'm washing my hands now because
You're barely washing your
I
hands?
washed them already, but you're not supposed to have egg on your hands. You're gonna like die or something.
Like
Okay.
infection? What?
Sally, mix it.
Something touched my hand.
Not too big, not too big.
What?
Just like mix it, but not too like.
What y'all do?
Oh nah. Oh no, honey. Go. Ew. It looks like slime.
What? It looks like slime.
Let me see real quick. When I told her to not mix it big, I meant to not like, cause like there's like very little. Ooh. What's next?
Did y'all put the oven on? Oh wait, we need the spray for the pan so it doesn't stick. That's it good.
Is it good?
Mix it a little bit more. I can still taste the powder.
Huh?
Mix it more. I can taste the powder.
Okay. I'm mixing the cake batter, and Sally is gonna do. What is she doing? She's gonna spray the pan onto the pan. The pan onto the pan. This is our pan of choice. Okay.
Will you pass it to me, please?
While she does that, I'm gonna mix this. So.
Ours is so big. I don't think our cake's gonna fit in this.
No.
Our cake's not gonna fit in this. What'd you do? What'd you do?
Did you see that?
What'd you do? This is
The
too
pan.
big.
But what about the pan?
It's too big.
Spray the entire thing?
It's big.
Huh?
It's big.
It's too big.
Yes.
It's too big?
Yes.
Really?
Our cake's not gonna
Then
fit in this.
what if we make it into cupcakes? Into cupcakes with a little pan.
Okay.
So change of plans, everyone. We're making cupcakes because this is too big, apparently.
Ow. Sorry. Come here. Come here. You're scared, right?
Oh, me to put those in there.
What are you doing?
Is she dumb?
What?
We're not putting those things. We're just spraying it with Pam. Because they don't fit in there, stupid.
Why'd y'all grab the wrong one? There's another one in there. This one's for like little, what do they call it? I'm gonna punch you in the face.
I like it when you turn me on.
This one.
Okay, so change your pencil, guys. To the darkness of the night.
Baby.
So Sally is gonna pour from the bag. She louder than two sold out.
Hurry up!
Okay, yeah, that's why you got scared, Fatty.
No, I
So
didn't.
Sally's gonna pour the batter now into the cake pan. Okay. This is your spoon. This is the batter. The first cake pan is right here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Go.
Tell me when to stop because I can't put it all the way. Remember? Because then it's going to overflow.
What?
I said tell me when it's halfway.
Stop when it's halfway?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's
That's
going to
not
overflow.
okay. No more talking. Go.
What are you doing? Stop!
Just pour it. Just pour it.
No!
Yes, we're pouring.
No! I'm going to slap you. Alina!
You're gonna pour it, Fatty.
No, I'm not!
Go, Sally.
I'm going.
Oh my god, it overflowed.
You're joking! What'd y'all put on my lips? What are y'all doing?
Okay, Sally, go. Next one. Go.
All I hear is like. What are y'all doing?
Okay, go.
Can you stop?
I've been baptized in fear, my dear.
Shut your trap.
I don't like that.
What are you doing?
Pour, Fatty.
What are you doing?
Get your hair out of the cake. Your bowl's right here. We've poured all the pans. We have this one which has a little bit less cake batter. And then these two pans which we're gonna clean up the aisles. The oven's already set, so we're gonna go put them in there for I'd say like, okay, so the minimum is 20. Okay, cupcakes is like 18 minutes.
Look it up.
20 minutes for those.
Look it up.
And then I think this is a... So it doesn't say, I'm just going to say this is a good 9 round. So almost 30 minutes for this one. But we'll just check with like toothpicks and stuff like that on it.
Oh.
Well, it's taking them with us. What? We'll see y'all guys when we're done. When they're done.
Alright, so we're going to go put them in the oven. And then we'll see you guys once they're out of the oven.
Alright guys, we're back. These are our cupcakes.
It's our cake.
Our flat cake, like silly.
Why would you do that?
So we're doing the frosting. That's our cupcakes. And then our flatbread cake.
It's healthy, that's why. It's almost empty.
That's how it looks on the bottom.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, this looks like a nice... This is the one I did.
Yeah, so silly these like deformed ones are
Or the
hers.
one she did.
Bro, I couldn't
Yeah,
see.
because I did the one, this one. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, see?
For all the bakers in the chat, please don't do this. We do not know
I'm putting Nutella.
Gordon Ramsay. When that's my
Mine is so pretty.
I was
Like
talking.
you. Everything works with...
What? Freaking weird, bro.
Bro, I said everything works with teamwork.
And then you said everything works with you.
No,
That's a lie.
That's weird. Boundaries. Alright, we got boundaries. We got this, the Hershey's thing
Let's
too.
reveal what this part looks like. I hope you guys can see. Hold on.
I was gonna try and do a smiley face, but that
Oh my
I
god.
cannot see.
It looks like... Never mind.
It doesn't look like anything, Sally.
I know it doesn't. I
Okay,
didn't say...
so it's probably honestly gonna be a little moist.
I like mine moist.
You're disgusting.
Okay. Don't touch mine.
Cheers. Don't touch mine either. Oh.
Mine's been good.
Mine feels really good.
I like the strawberry.
Thank you for watching. Thank y'all for coming with me.
Cancel enough for hitting me and stopping me.
Rage
and,
bait sell in the comments.
no.
Rage bait sell in the comments.
Mm-mm.
W's in the chat for main Alina, and then rage bait.
Hashtag ready to eat something.
No.
Thank you for watching today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, this was fun. I like filming with my sisters, and I like doing videos like this. Well, we're not in the car. So y'all know, you know, body reveal. Sally, you are a minor. People like figure reveal, us reveal, house reveal, kind of. Just a little bit. Height reveal. Alina's not that tall. She's just.
She has her Uggs on.
Yeah, then it adds like a whole inch to her height.
I'm
She's
taller.
like right here.
I'm 5'5".
I'm taller.
Take off your Uggs.
You're 5'4".
But I still end up taller than you.
Take off
It's
your Uggs.
'cause it's an illusion because she has long legs and a long torso.
No.
I still have a good inch on her.
Like Sally, look, like this is her and this is
See?
I'm taller than you.
But most people are taller than Alina in general.
Yeah.
Not my girlfriend.
That's me. So yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. For the love.
Thank you so much. What the heck is wrong with you? Okay, Paddington improved. W's in the chat. Rage Rate Sally.
No!
See?
Rage Rate.
Hashtag what that's what makes you beautiful. In the comments down below.
So yeah, thank y'all for
With the little
watching.
dash.
Goodbye now. Don't miss me too much.